Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to allow others to remix your public reels and use your original audio on Facebook using a PC. Facebook has introduced a small but important update, and if you want your content to reach more people, this setting can really help boost engagement. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A new panel will appear, giving you access to more detailed settings. Next, go ahead and click on Reels. This section controls how your reels behave and how others can interact with them. Now, look for the option that says, Allow others to use your original audio and remix your future public reels. Click on it to open the available settings. Here you'll see an option called Remixing and Original Audio Use. Select this option to allow other users to remix your reels and use your original audio in their own content. This is a great way to expand your reach and get more visibility on your posts. After selecting the option, make sure you click on Save to apply the changes. Without saving, your updates won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully enabled remixing and original audio use for your public reels on Facebook. Now your content has the potential to spread even further as others interact with it creatively. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips to improve your social media experience.